What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay. So today I just got a real quick video for you guys. The company Zototop, the people who made this case, one of my favorite cases, reached out to me because I showed it to you guys. They just wanted to give me these because they were just appreciative. So, I said I agreed. I said, okay, you guys can go ahead and send them. And this is what they sent me. So I'm going to show you guys here on Amazon where you can get these from, just in case you guys are interested in having a different type of brand of a case for your AirTag. But these are AirTag cases, and this is the actual spot you can get it from on Amazon. They are about, for a 4-pack, they are about $16.99. So unfortunately, I don't have an AirTag, but I just wanted to unbox these or just open these up, let you guys see them in case you are, in the market for something like this. I can kind of give you guys an idea what you're going to get yourself into. As well as I just want to say that we have 4 sitting here, and it is a high possibility that I'm probably going to just give these away here on the channel because I don't own an AirTag. I do know when we hit 500 subscribers, I plan on giving away one of the pencils that I have for the iPad. And probably when we hit about 200 or so, we may just go ahead and give these away. So if you want to be a part of any of these types of giveaways that could possibly be coming to this channel here soon, just make sure you go over to Twitter and follow me there, because I'm pretty sure that is where every single giveaway is probably going to come from. So let's just open these up, take them out. I don't want to be rough with them just in case we give these away. But let's just take them out and see what they are looking like. So we have a black one. We have some literature there, or whatever that is. We have a blue one. We have like a leather one, leather colored, or brown color, I'm sorry. And we have a red one. Now, I do not own an AirTag, but I will tell you, they feel pretty good. They're not like super heavy. They feel pretty good. Some good quality. I think maybe if I had an actual AirTag to put in these, it'll probably give me a better, representation to explain to you guys, I guess, as far as how they would feel if I actually had an AirTag. But just looking at them, they look pretty nice. To me, they are some pretty decent quality. I mean, if I had an AirTag, I would probably try one of these out with no hesitation. Actually, I probably should keep one of them for my motorcycle key because I always have a tendency to misplace it. But this is what these look like, guys. Showed you where you can get these at on Amazon. There's really not a whole lot to talk about these. You can just put them on your keys or wherever you want to put these, backpack or something. You can put them somewhere as long as you have an AirTag. But I just wanted you guys to see them. Thought it would be a quick and easy video just to show you guys in case you was on the fence about getting these and you saw them on Amazon and you just kind of wanted to see what the quality looked like. So I put another one real close up right here so you guys can see real close up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Excuse my hands, I lift weights a lot, so I got calluses. But yeah, they feel real good though. Nothing really, nothing that stands out. Quality is there. They pretty good. If I had an AirTag, I could probably give you guys a better representation, like I said. But anyway, this was just a quick video. I wanted you guys to see these, show you where you can get them from. And thank you to the company Zototop, for sending these out to me. I really do appreciate any little thing that, we get for this channel, because ultimately, this channel is for you guys and myself as well. But any little thing that we get for the channel, I just want to make sure I give back to you guys. So just know that it's a possibility that these will be given away. I think maybe when we hit about 200 subscribers, we'll start giving these away. So make sure you're on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter so that you can possibly get one of these. And like I said before, when we hit about 500 subscribers, we will be giving away a pencil for the iPad. So just stay tuned for all of that, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are just enjoying the channel in general. I really do like doing these videos for you guys. So with that being said, it's been your boy Jay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Peace.